y'all, I'm Dana.
I'm Macy, I'm the underpaid daughter.
And we are back for the instructional video that we told you about last week.
Was that last week?
Or the week before. Not sure.
Okay.
We have a new product that we're really excited about, and we're going to show it to you today, and we're going to offer it to you today also. Another thing I want to mention is if you watch the video all the way to the end, there's going to be a deal waiting for you there, but you'll have to do a little something for us. So here's the product.
Cut.
So a lot of you know us, and a lot of you have been to the classes here at Payton Productions, but those of you that haven't, a lot of you always say, I can't paint. I don't have an artistic bone in my body.
A lot of people will ask me, you shouldn't have just pointed.
A lot of y'all know that we do paint classes here at Payton Productions, and some of you, a lot of, okay, I'm not going to stop and start every time I mess up.
Okay.
So I mess up a lot, and I say a lot, and I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all, okay? So, a lot of y'all have been to our paint classes here at Payton Productions. But many people say, I would love to come, but I don't have an artistic bone in my body.
A lot of people ask me to paint things for them, and I don't mind doing that at all. But now you don't need me. You can do it. You can do everything all on your own.
This is our new product. We're super excited about it. Basically, if you can color in a coloring book, which we know you can paint this. We actually went with a peace sign for our very first paint by line product, just because things are pretty crappy in the world, pretty crappy in our town right now actually, and everybody needs a little peace. Everybody needs a little peace in their life. So this is our first project. We're gonna paint it, and then we'll tell you how you can get yours.
So we tag teamed painting that to get it done quickly. But I wanted to show you on the edges, you got to make sure that you paint those edges, because if they hang up, then walking from beside it, you're going to see. So you want to make sure that you paint all the edges on the outside and on the inside of the peace sign. And any design we do, you're going to have to do the edges on that, just so it looks nicer. While you're painting the edges, the paint on the front might glob up a little bit, and you just take your brush and just smooth that back out all around so that it doesn't dry and bubbles or get discolored. So when you do that, it will happen, but you just go over it just to smooth that back out. Okay. No?
Okay. All right, so our top coat has dried, and we are going to just paint some colors and hope it looks good. We'll see. Very festive peace sign. We know peace sign's not everybody's cup of tea. Like I said, we just kind of wanted to do something a little different today. If you have something in mind that you would like, something, I think we showed you this earlier. It's a little late for the Easter ones because Easter's fast approaching. But if you have something that you'd like, drop us a message. If you have watched all the way to the end, we do have a little deal. We do t-shirts also, like this one that I have on. And if you've made it this far with us, we appreciate you sticking with us. You can like and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can get your very own t-shirt for $10. What you'll do for that is inbox us on the Paid in Productions page with all that information, and we'll be glad to get that deal for you. So, we appreciate you watching. Anything to add, Mace? I've lost the clicker. Just bear with us.
No, yeah, thanks. And like she said, if there's anything you would like us to do or you're kind of interested in, just comment or send us a message and let us know, and we'll try to get what you're interested in.
Until next time, thanks guys.
Bye.